Ever wondered how income from self-employment is reported in the tax world? It all happens through a form known as IRS Schedule C. This document, a vital part of the entrepreneurial tax filing process, can seem daunting at first glance. However, with a step-by-step guide, it becomes a straightforward task. So what is IRS Schedule C? It is essentially a tax form used by sole proprietors and single-member LLCs to report income or loss from a business or profession. Starting with Part 1, where income is reported. Here, you'll note down gross receipts or sales, and then subtract any returns and allowances, resulting in the net sales. You'll also add any cost of goods sold figured out in Part 3 and deduct it from the net sales. This calculation gives you the gross income. Part 2 is all about expenses. This section consists of 27 lines, each representing a different business expense. You'll fill in everything from advertising expenses to wages, and the total will be subtracted from your gross income. This will provide you with the tentative profit or loss. Next, moving on to Part 3, the cost of goods sold. If you're selling physical products, this section is crucial. You'll be calculating the total cost of all goods sold during the tax year, taking into account inventory at the beginning and end of the year, plus any purchases made. Part 4 is for information on your vehicle. If you've claimed expenses for it in Part 2, you'll provide details about the vehicle use, ensuring you separate personal use from business use. Finally, Part 5 is for listing any other expenses not covered in Part 2. Once all parts are completed, the net profit or loss is transferred to your personal tax return, impacting your overall tax liability. So to recap, IRS Schedule C is a form used by entrepreneurs to report income from self-employment. It's broken down into 5 parts: income, expenses, cost of goods sold, vehicle information, and other expenses. By carefully filling out each section, you'll accurately report your business income, helping ensure your tax return is as accurate as possible. Remember, tax law is complex and constantly changing, so it's always a good idea to consult with a tax professional. They can provide guidance tailored to your specific situation and help you navigate the process of filling out IRS Schedule C. In the world of self-employment, knowledge is power, and understanding IRS Schedule C is a key part of that power, helping you take control of your entrepreneurial journey. So, keep this guide handy and conquer your tax reporting with confidence.